In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your M-PESA Business App. By updating your M-PESA Business App, you'll be able to access the latest features that comes with this app, and also you'll be able to get a more secure app. And as well, don't forget that by updating your app, you'll be able to fix most bugs and errors that comes with the outdated app. So to do this, it is quite simple. You can either update your app using your Android smartphone or using your iPhone. So if you are using an iPhone, then you'll need to access App Store. For this video, I'm going to use an Android smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so let's get into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and tap on Play Store. And from here, you'll see we have a search function here. Under search, go ahead and search for M-PESA Business. And here you'll see we have our M-PESA for Business app. Go ahead and tap on it. So if you're using an outdated app, you'll see instead of open, the button will be written update. Go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of M-PESA for Business app. And once it has downloaded it, it will install it. For my case, I'll not be able to update because I already have the latest version of M-PESA for Business app. So once you are done, you can now go ahead and tap on open to start enjoying and using the latest M-PESA for Business app. So that's how you get the latest version of M-PESA for Business app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.